Coral reefs are home to an extraordinary amount of life. Despite only covering a small area along coastlines, they are home to about a quarter of all marine species and offer invaluable services to humanity. They protect coastlines from storms, providing food and jobs for millions. But as ocean temperatures rise and disease outbreaks become more common, we risk the loss of corals, putting an entire ecosystem at risk.
With support from our sponsors, including the UK government's Darwin Plus program,
the Ernest Kleinwort Charitable Trust, and the AALL Foundation, we're working to save coral reefs.
Using a species called Acropora cervicornis, also known as staghorn coral, we choose corals that can survive heat and disease, growing them in our underwater nursery and planting them back onto the reef. We've been running this program for more than a decade, working towards improved coral restoration, using evidence and science-backed techniques contributing to the resilience and biodiversity of Cayman's reefs.
This project not only aims to rebuild reefs in Little Cayman, but also provides conservation leaders across the Caribbean with solutions for protecting corals. CCMI's researchers are also mapping Little Cayman's reefs to find and document the last remaining endangered coral colonies, also helping to guide protection efforts. Through these projects, CCMI is helping to ensure that both coral reefs and the people who rely on them have a future in a changing climate.